Hey guys, take a deep breath. You're in the right place. In this class, you will listen to slow and clear English. You will hear simple sentences used in daily life in the United States. You don't need grammar. You don't need to rush. Just listen, understand, and feel comfortable with English. This practice will help you think in English, listen better, and speak more confidently over time. Now let's begin. It is a quiet morning. The sun is coming up. The street is calm. I wake up and sit on the bed for a moment. I look around the room. Everything feels peaceful. I stand up and walk to the window. I open the curtains. I see people walking outside. Some people are going to work. Some people are walking their dogs. Life is moving slowly. I go to the kitchen. I pour a glass of water. I take a sip. I feel relaxed. I make a simple breakfast. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. While eating, I think about the day. Nothing feels rushed. I feel ready. I get dressed and put on my shoes. I pick up my keys. I open the door and step outside. The air feels fresh. I take a deep breath. I walk down the street. I pass a few houses. I see a neighbor. He smiles and says, "Good morning." I smile and say, "Good morning." The conversation is short, but it feels nice. I keep walking. I hear birds. I hear cars in the distance. I reach the bus stop. A few people are waiting. A woman looks at me and asks, "Is this bus going downtown?" I answer calmly, "Yes, it is." She says, "Thank you." I nod and smile. The bus arrives. We get on. I find a seat by the window. I sit down and look outside. The bus starts moving. Buildings pass by. People walk fast. I listen to small conversations around me. Simple words. Clear sounds. Someone says, "I'll be there soon." Another person says, "I'm running a little late." I understand everything. That feels good. The bus stops. I get off. I walk into a small coffee shop. It smells nice. The cashier looks at me and says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" I say, "A coffee, please." She smiles and says, "Sure." I wait for a moment. She hands me the cup. I say, "Thank you." "You're welcome," she replies. I take the coffee and sit down. I take a small sip. It tastes good. I look around the shop. People are working on laptops. Some people are talking quietly. No one is in a hurry. I finish my coffee. I stand up and leave the shop. Outside, the day feels brighter now. I walk toward my workplace. I feel calm. I feel confident. I open the door and step inside. People are already there. Someone says, "Hey, how are you?" I reply, "I'm good. How about you?" They say, "I'm good too." I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I read a few messages. The words are clear, easy to understand. Time passes slowly. Later, I stand up and stretch. I walk to the window again. I look outside. The day is moving forward. I take another deep breath and get ready to continue. I sit comfortably in my chair. I adjust my posture. My shoulders feel relaxed. I take a moment to focus. The screen in front of me feels familiar. Work begins gently. I type a few words. I read them carefully. Everything makes sense. A coworker walks by. She pauses for a second. She says, "Let me know if you need help." I answer, "Sure, thank you." That feels easy, natural, normal. A little later, my phone vibrates. It is a short message. I read it once. I understand it clearly. There is no pressure, no stress, just understanding. Around midday, the room feels warmer. Sunlight comes through the window. Time moves forward calmly. I stand up and walk a little. I get some water. I take a sip. While walking back, I notice something important. English feels familiar now. Not perfect, but comfortable. This is how progress feels. Quiet, steady, real. Now pause for a moment. Take a slow breath. Let your mind relax. If you are listening right now, you are doing something good for yourself. Listening like this helps your brain. Slow English trains your ears. Clear sentences build confidence. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep listening. If this class is helping you, take one small action. Like this video. It helps more learners find it. Share this class with someone who wants calm and easy English. And subscribe to this channel for more slow, clear American English practice. New classes are added regularly. Each one helps you listen better. Each one helps you feel more confident. Now relax, keep listening, and continue learning at your own pace. You are doing great.